Guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 6 of our 30 day of smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing my classic mango and blueberry smoothie. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So the first ingredient which we are using today is a cup of mango, and this is one of my favorite fruits. What's your favorite? Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, I'm using that. Next up, I'm using half cup of blueberry, which is rich in antioxidant and considered as a #1 brain food. Next up, banana, which will keeps you full, energized, and it's rich in potassium. Next up, I'm using this coconut yogurt to make my smoothie rich and creamy, but you can use any yogurt of your choice. And I'll be adding hemp hearts just to add a protein in my smoothie. And to blend everything together, I'm using coconut water because this one is rich in electrolyte and provides a hydration, but you can use plain water if you wish to. This one is like a dessert in a jar. So good. Alright you guys, so that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you are going to recreate this recipe. And if you did so, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye!